Right, question 5 from the 2019 paper. The sets A, B, and C are as follows. A is the set of multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. B is the set of multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. C is a set of multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Write down a number that is in A intersection B intersection C, okay? So if it's going to intersect all three sets, it is that area in the middle where they all overlap. A, B, C. Okay, so it's that area right here in the center, because that is the only place that belongs to set A, belongs to set B, and of course also belongs to set B or set C. Okay, so what numbers are in there? Well, if A is multiples of 2, then A is squiggly 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and so on. B is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. And C is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and so on. Okay, and it didn't tell us where to finish, and that's why the dots are there. So write down a number that's in A, in B, and in C. Okay, so you can start filling some of these into the Venn diagram if you wish, if you work better with pictures, or you can do it from here. Okay, so basically you're looking for a number that's common in all three. Okay, so 2, 4, 6 is there, but not in C. 8 won't be in B. 10 won't be in B. 12, 12, 12. So the first one that's common in all. So basically the number you must be able to divide 2, 3, and 4 into the number. Okay, for it to intersect with all. So 12 is one example where A intersection B intersects with C. Okay, the next one will be 24. I just didn't go up high enough in the 2s, 36, and so on and so forth. Explain why the set C is a subset of A. Okay, so subset means it's part of the set of A. Okay, well, the reason for that is if I try and fill the numbers in here, okay, which are the numbers that are in A and C but not in B. Okay, that's what goes in here. So the numbers that are in A and C that's not in B, so you'll see 2 goes out here. Okay, let me just put that in a different color so you might be able to see it clearly. So 2 goes out there. 4 belongs to A and C, so it has to go in here. 6 goes out there, but 8 belongs to A and C. 12 we've already taken care of. 16 belongs to A and C, and that pattern will continue. Every number that's in C will also be in A, because if it's a multiple of 4, it is also a multiple of 2. Okay, so why is set a subset of A? If a number is a multiple of 4, then it is also a multiple of 2. Okay, so all that's in C will also be in A. Okay, these sets A, B, and C are shown in the Venn diagram below. There's 7 different regions in any Venn diagram. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, it doesn't matter how you order them. Because C is a subset of A, there are 2 regions in the Venn diagram that have no elements. Write an X in each of these 2 regions in the Venn diagram above. Okay, so what are the 2 regions? Okay, well, again, might take you filling in a few of these numbers to figure out which of the regions here are going to be blank. Okay, so sometimes it's just easier to fill in a Venn diagram, okay? So I'm going to have nothing in C, okay? That's quite clear because all the numbers are going in here, okay? What's happening between A and B? Okay, well, the 6 that I put in here should indeed have gone into here because it's also in B. Okay, this 3 doesn't belong to any set, so it's going to go out there, as is the 9, okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, and I suppose now I've established that there's numbers in there. Okay, now what's happening between B and C? Well, 3, 6, 9, 12, okay, 15, 18. So can you see that there's no numbers common between B and C that's not also common with A, B, C? Okay, and it's because these two sets A and C overlap so much that if they're common in either A and C, they're going to be common in B, so they're going to end up in this section here. So you're going to have nothing in here and nothing in here. Okay, but it might take you drawing out the Venn diagram for you to be able to see that, okay? So just do what I did here, draw one up in the corner if you think it's going to be useful. It doesn't matter how much of it you fill in because it's just a visual aid to help you answer the questions, okay? You weren't asked to draw it, you are just choosing to draw it to help you answer the questions. Each of the other 5 regions in the Venn diagram have some elements. In each of the 5 regions above, write one of the elements in that region. So now you can see how handy it was to have that Venn diagram, albeit a rough one, done. Okay, so we are going to go 12 was in there. We're going to put 2 in there, 4, 6, and 3. Okay, so again, doesn't matter what you put in there as long as it's one of the elements in that region. Okay, so I hope that makes sense.